Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the amazing benefits of consuming chia seeds every day. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with numerous nutrients and health-promoting properties. Let's dive in. Nutritional breakdown. Host. Before we look into the benefits, let's talk about the nutritional value of chia seeds. These seeds are a great source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Now, let's explore what happens when you incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. 1. Weight management. Host, chia seeds can be an excellent addition to a weight management plan. Due to their high fiber content, they can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and snacking between meals. Additionally, chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, creating a gel-like substance that aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of satiety. 2. Boosted energy and stamina. Host, whether you're an athlete or simply need an energy boost, chia seeds can be a fantastic addition to your diet. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and carbohydrates, they provide a sustained release of energy, improving endurance and overall performance. So consider adding chia seeds to your pre-workout or breakfast routine. 3. Improved digestion. Host, thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds can promote a healthy digestive system. They act as prebiotics, nourishing the good bacteria in your gut. This can support regular bowel movements and help prevent constipation. 4. Heart health. Host, chia seeds are heart healthy due to their omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Research suggests that incorporating chia seeds into your diet may help lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Blood sugar regulation. Host, if you're looking to stabilize your blood sugar levels, chia seeds can be a great ally. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in chia seeds slows down the digestion process, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. This makes chia seeds particularly beneficial for individuals with or at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Conclusion. Host, incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine can bring about a multitude of benefits. From weight management and improved digestion to enhanced energy levels and heart health, these tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Remember to start with small portions, gradually increasing your intake, and always listen to your body's needs. There are several ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily meals. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Overnight chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, dairy, or plant-based, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious chia pudding to enjoy. 2. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds to your favorite smoothie recipe. They will add a nice texture and boost the nutritional content of your drink. 3. Baking. You can add chia seeds to baked goods like muffins, cookies, or bread. Just sprinkle them into the batter before baking for an extra nutritional kick. 4. Sprinkled on top. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal. They add a pleasant crunch and provide added nutrients. Salad topping. Toasted chia seeds can be sprinkled on salads as a healthy and flavorsome topping. Remember to drink plenty of water, as chia seeds can absorb liquid and expand in your stomach. It's also essential to start with smaller portions when incorporating chia seeds into your diet, gradually increasing as needed. Enjoy experimenting with different ways to incorporate these nutritious seeds into your meals. Certainly, here's a basic recipe for a chia seed smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, optional, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, optional. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions: 1. Peel and slice the ripe banana. 2. In a blender, combine the sliced banana, milk, chia seeds, nut butter, if using, and sweetener, if using. 3. Blend on high speed until all the ingredients are well combined and smooth. 4. If desired, add a handful of ice cubes and blend again until the smoothie is chilled and frothy. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding other ingredients such as berries, spinach, or protein powder to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. Enjoy your chia seed smoothie. Let me know if you need any other recipes or have any more questions.